How to remove password from Windows 10 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your password from Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to your settings from your search bar just like this, and once you open up your settings application on your device, just head over to your system settings. And if you're using Windows 11, you might need to head over to the account settings and then head over to the sign in settings. So for now I'll simply head over to my sign in settings or sign in options just by directly searching from over here. So as you can see, I've head over to my sign in options. So you should see on Windows 11 regarding password option, you need to just click on that and you get the option to change it directly. So since I'm using Windows 10, I'll be simply showing you from the Windows Hello Pin. So it's similar to all of the Windows password. So it basically is all set up to sign into Windows apps as well as services. So all I need to do is just tap on this change button and you just need to enter your previous pin. And in the Windows 11 case, you just need to enter your previous password and just leave the new password like a blank completely. And if you want to add the option for nickname or hint, you can just type in anything for that and simply click on OK just like that. And once you do all of that, your password will be successfully changed to blank. That means you will no longer have a password on Windows 10 or 11. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.